Eyes, please. Hey. All persons having business before the Honorable Traffic Tribunal of the State of Rhode Island, Providence Plantation, may draw near, give their attendance. They shall be heard. God save the State of Rhode Island and this Honorable Court. The Honorable William Guglietta presiding. Please be seated. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, everyone. The court has received some communication from the parties. The matter before the court is 12101-500-501. The defendant in this matter is Dominick Ruggerio. The court was contacted by the parties indicating that they had reached some agreement in this matter and wanted to present it to the court today.
Mr. Ruggerio.
By entering into this admission today, you're waiving the right to that trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay. And as part of this disposition for a chemical test refusal, this court has authority to impose penalties, and they're in the form of ranges, correct? You understand?
I understand that, Your Honor, yes.
And most importantly, if you were to get a second refusal within a 5-year period of time, it becomes a criminal violation, subjecting you to incarceration at the Adult Correctional Institution for a period of up to 6 months. A third and subsequent violation is also a criminal offense, subjecting you to possible incarceration at the Adult Correctional Institution for a period of up to 1 year. Do you understand that as well?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay. I've also had the opportunity to review the factual allegation of this case, as well as review Mr. Ruggerio's driving history, which, quite frankly, is clean. He has no driving infractions. As a result of my investigation, I'm going to accept the state's recommendation in this matter. After reviewing those facts of this case, I feel that the following sanctions are appropriate in this matter. The fine will be $200. There's going to be 10 hours of community service, a 6-month suspension on his license, referral to DUI school, the highway assessment, the Department of Health fee, $35 in court costs.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything anyone else would like to say before we conclude this hearing?
No,
Mr. J. General, Mr. Pulner, Lieutenant, everybody satisfied?
Right.
That concludes this hearing. The order will enter. We'll have that for you momentarily.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Eyes, please.
So he does not have a DUI on his record?
Well, he won't. I mean, the case will be dismissed.
Can you see how Rhode Island may seem, can you see how this looks as though this might be a deal because he's connected at the State House?
Anybody who understands the process would know it's not a deal. I think over, like I said, since the penalties were enhanced several years back, anytime they want to take a plea here at the Rhode Island Traffic Tribunal and take a 6-month loss of license instead of a 3-month loss of license, as far as we're concerned, if somebody has a problem, drinking and getting behind the wheel, we'd rather have them off the road for 6 months instead of 3.